Hello everyone, in this session we are going to see about remaining touch link options. Let's see what and all that. So just click on this object. This one I have taken from Wizard. So take any object, let's take a button and keep it over here and click on the button. So it is taking you to the animation link, and here you can see the touch link. In that we are going to see this touch push buttons. Fine. So previously we have seen these user input sliders and all we have seen already. Now it is touch push button. So in this we are having the discrete value. Okay. So what is this discrete value coming under the touch push button means if you press, it will be making the output to turn on. It's like a push button concept. Okay. But that's what I have taken a button from here and go for the discrete option. So it is asking you to the target. So this one is exactly same as our push button concept we have seen in the previous sessions, right? So see here, tag name I have given. And these actions and all we have discussed already in the previous sessions. I hope you have remembered. If you couldn't able to recall, you just go back to the previous session and check for the push button session. Okay. There we have seen everything. So now I'm going to choose this toggle. Go for OK. Go for OK. So this is also switch. Keep it over here. So when you go for the runtime, if you press, it will be making a contact. If you release, it will be breaking the contact. Okay, so this is like a normal toggle thing. If you want to make this push button to act as a set function or reset function or direct, redirect, reverse, whatever you want, you can choose according to the requirement. Fine. So this one is exactly same as the push buttons we have seen in Wizards. I'll show you that. Yeah. This is all we have seen, no? This momentary button, this normal, this is all we have seen. I hope you have remembered this color push button, radio button. I think radio button we have not seen, but this color push button, this momentary on round panel push button, this and all we have seen already. So it is similar to that push button. Fine. So that is discrete value. And one more thing, whatever we are having here is this action. So what is this action touch push button? What exactly it will do? Let's see that. So just click on this action. It will take you to some action script page. Can you see? It is having the page of action script, right? So what we are going to do here? What is this script function? So in the next forthcoming sessions, we are going to see about script. Okay, script is a separate topic we are going to see. But since it is in it is in the touch link push button, I'm going to explain here about the script. So generally what is script? We will be writing some statements. So whenever the condition meets, it will be performing the statements. Correct. So what I'm going to write here is, whenever I'm touching this push button, you want this light to turn on. What is the light? What is the tag for this? It is nothing but SW, right? If you couldn't able to get, just double tap. It will take you to the tag name dictionary. Just click on this. So this equal to 1. Fine. So whenever you are pressing this button, what is the condition? You can choose whatever condition you want. See here, on left click or key down. So whenever you are left click this, it will be performing this function. What performing? The statement I have written. What is the statement I have written? This is SW1 equal to 1. Okay. So just validate this to check whether the statement you have written is in a syntax form or not. Expecting semicolon. So it is expecting some semicolon. So just press semicolon and again click valid. So there is no error. It is accepting. Just go for OK and go for OK. Go for runtime. If you click, it will be turning on. Okay. If you again click, nothing will happen. Why? Because you have written a statement only to turn on. Correct? Only to turn on the lamp. You have not written anything to turn off. Correct? Fine. So go back and check out here. See, it was not clicked for discrete. Now we are doing this one. Action switch 1 is equal to when it is left click, right? Shall we make one more duplicate button of this and keep it here? Just rename this text to on. Okay, on. And this one for off. Replace the text. You need to go to the string option and you need to write it. And now click on this. Go for action. Now when you click this, you need to turn off the switch. So you are giving the condition now 0 because it should turn off, no? So go for OK. Go for OK. So this is for on script. This is for off script. Correct? Go for online. Now it is already in on condition because whenever we, in a previous runtime, it was in on condition. Okay. Now if you press this, it will off. Okay. If you press this, again on, again off. So this is doing only the function of on and this is doing the only function of off. Got it, guys? So this is action, script, touch, push button. Fine. Got it now? So what now is pending? This hide window. This show window we have already seen in the previous session is page navigation. So it will take you to the next page when you are giving the show window. Correct? So now what is the next one? Hide window. What is this hide window means? Whenever you want to hide the window from runtime. So keep it here. Keep one button here and replace the text as exit. See, sometimes whenever you want to close the window, like for example in our computer we will be pressing this Alt F4. If you press this Alt F4, automatically the window whatever running in the screen will be going close. Like that, this is one of the option for closing the window in the runtime. So I'm giving the exit name and just click on this. Go for hide window. Choose which window you want to close. This is a W1 window, no? So you can choose this or whatever window you want, you can choose. I'm just choosing this W1, okay? Go for OK, go for OK and go for runtime. So now which window is in on condition? W1, correct? See W1. If you close this, that window is completely closed. Exit, it got closed. If you want to open again, you just open here. Whatever window you want, you just open. W3 is here. So go for the next one. Whatever you are choosing at last will be open. Okay. Now it is W2. Go for W1. And now this is W1. Now you want to close. Just close on this. Just click this. It will close. Now that demo time was over. That's what it got giving this. Yeah. Now go online again. W3 it is. Go for W1. If you press this, it will exit. Right? So this is hide window. So we have seen all this. Fine? Alright? So just practice this in the software, guys. I'll meet you in the next session with another topic. Fine? Yeah. Thank you.